Hi, fourth grade mathematicians. This is a review video for comparing unit fractions. We have learned how to compare whole numbers, and you have had so much practice with it, awesome fourth graders, that I bet you have to do very little thinking if I were to write a comparison like this and ask you, which whole number is greater, 4 or 6? I'm sure you're all thinking, really, Mrs. Knorr? Of course. 4 is less than 6. It's tricky with fractions. It's almost the opposite of what you might think. Let's compare two fractions. We're going to compare 1/2 to 1/4. We have to be very careful that our eyes don't go right to the denominator and think, oh, 4 is larger than 2. Pump your brakes and let's use a model to show what this is really asking us. We have two, oh goodness, that grass. I'm working on getting rid of that. Awesome mathematicians, pretend you don't see grass on our graham crackers, okay? I can't get rid of that right now. We have one whole graham cracker that I'm splitting into half, or two 1/2 unit fractions. A half plus a half and grass equals a whole. I'm going to take the same exact size whole graham cracker, and I'm going to split that into fourths. Of course, that means I need 4 equal parts. Okay. And then I'm going to line up my 2 graham crackers. What I've discovered here is the more parts that I divide my whole into, or another way to say that is, the more units that I divide that into, this has 1, 2, 3, 1/4, 2/4, 3/4, 4/4, okay? The smaller the pieces, the smaller the individual units become. If I compare just one of these halves, 1/2, compared to just one of these fourths, 1/4, okay? There we go. Now they're the same size. I would see very easily with my eye that because I divided my whole into more pieces, actually the fourth is smaller than the half. Okay? We can then draw the conclusion, right, that the fraction with the smaller denominator is always greater. Thank you for listening today. We will practice this more, so if you are a little fuzzy, hang in there. I will help you. In a few days, you will become very clear on this learning target. Thank you for continuing to work hard. See you all soon.